Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to be explaining to you guys how you can use the Bitrix24 CRM, so let's get right into it. Now, the CRM on Bitrix24 is one specific part of it. It is not the entire program. There is a wide variety of things that you can achieve using this, but one of the integrated elements is the CRM, which I'll be showing you how to use. Now, you have a couple of different things that you can do in the CRM. You can manage your deals, your inventory, and other things as well, such as customer sales. You can go through your analytics, etc. But I'll show you each of them, well, very quickly in the basics. You can create new deals in the deal view. You can view it as a Kanban style list, as a normal list, as activities, or through a calendar. I like the Kanban style most because it creates a flow here through the sales funnel, and if you want to create a deal, you can create one here or by clicking here, or you can just create a quick deal by clicking on quick deal. You just add a name, the amount of money, for example, that. You can also add contacts and company contacts if you want. Also select fields which you want to keep, and then just click save, and you can create a new one, and then you can move it through the sales funnel as progress continues. And that's pretty much it for that. Now, for inventory, you can go to a product catalog. Mine will be empty because I don't have any, but once you do that, you can just click create and create any new products that you would like. I'll skip over that, but you pretty much get the picture. You can also manage your inventory here as well to check how many things you have on demand. You can also go ahead and manage your customers, such as your contacts and other companies that you are dealing with, as I've mentioned, and you can do it in a couple different ways. You can create your own contact by clicking on create like this. You can add the salutation, last name. I'll just add test for everything. You can add images of them, their date of birth, their position, their phones, all of this, well, information that might be relevant. Once you're done, you just click save, and that's going to create a new contact in your contact list, which you can then overview at a later date. Sales and analytics go pretty much the same. It's all very similar, but I hope you guys got the basics, and I hope you enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.